Hello everyone, I hope you have a good day. My name is Daniel Alejandro Olivares Fonseca, and today I'm going to talk to you about what kind of job I'm looking for as a biomedical engineer and the reasons I have for choosing it. First of all, I should talk about the field I want to dedicate myself to, because as we know, the biomedical engineering covers a lot of areas. But of all these, I'm looking to specialize as a biomechanic. Now, I should explain what biomechanics is. Biomechanics is the area that studies the structure and function of biological systems. Biomechanics can be applied to whole organisms, organs, cells, and cell organelles. Biomechanical experimental measures and computational approaches are fundamental to nearly every possible biomedical engineering application. And what kind of applications are these? Well, it depends on the ob- objective, since it is focused on studying and classifying the function of the body. The information obtained can be used for several purposes. Now, why do I want to dedicate myself to this? Well, I think the answer is very simple. Even though it initially requires a lot of analysis, once you have the desired information, you can use it to develop tools for rehabilitation, for prosthetics, or nearly everything you want to do with this. Because once you have the information, you can make almost anything. You can make exoskeletons to improve the strength. You can start to designing a new kind of shoe. You can make a lot of things, and the important part is that you want to improve in the quality of life of the patients that you're treating. Now, knowing this, you can get an idea of why I want to work in this, because it requires creativity and ingenuity to solve problems, and for me, it's a challenge that I'm willing to face. Now, an important part. Where can I work? Well, it depends. Again, if I want to work in the rehabilitation area, the best option would be to work in a hospital. But if I want to design prostheses or another medical instrument, maybe the better option would be to work in a company. And with this, that's the video. I wish you have a good day and thanks for your attention.